Okay, so next we're going to do abdominal draping, and we want to just cover the chest and the ribs, and we want to make sure that we keep it adequately covered. So we're going to use a full-size bath towel folded, and I'm going to just set this even with the top of the drape, and then tell the client to hold on to the towel here, and then I am going to just pull the sheet and towel, or sheet and blanket down, not the towel. And then I'm gonna just tuck this under the arms here to help keep it secure. There we go. Make sure that you have the full abdomen exposed from the ribs down to the underwear. If they're not wearing any underwear, just right down to the bottom of their abdomen. And then to redo it, I had a client lift their arms up over their head, and then I'm just gonna pull this up here, and then you wanna pin the sheet and blanket down and pull this across, but not right across their face, just like that. Another way that you can do this is to use the entire towel like this across here, and you're gonna have the client again just hold the top edge of the towel, and this time we're gonna peel down from below. So we're gonna just put this up and then peel the sheet and blanket down on one side, and then come around and do the other side. There we go. And then the client can have their arms here, stay nice and cozy. And we just fold it back just enough so that we can work on the abdomen. Feel cozy? And then the opposite of that, we're just gonna, to redrape, we're just gonna bring the towel, the sheet and blanket back up, and then again pin the corner down and pull this across.